So hello guys, in the last video I've been discussed with you how to install Python in your game and how to have a variable and explain what is a variable in Python. So today I will explain how to use arithmetic operators. There are only four types of operator: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, and logical operator, bitwise operator. Very fine. So today I will discuss only arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators means that you use in daily life, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and uh, exponential power. Firstly, I explain you with addition. So hashtag addition. So in Python, addition means adding two variables like put on two equals four, adding a plus b and two plus four, which is six, and then six. This is only assigning the values. If we take input from the user, yeah, I will comment. So here A is a variable. Uh, okay, so then equals to integer means its input points. Whether positive integer or negative integer. It is only works for taking integer, not ABCDs, alphabets, or taking input. It will take input from the user, uh, enter the right number. It will ask the user and the number, what is the number he she wants to give, and the second is, and then this will add the value given by the user. Uh, so, I want to then I put 23, then 56, 79. So it takes a value 23, that is this, and then the question is 76, and adding a plus b means adding 23 plus 56, that is 79. This is we can add same thing like we can put any uh, see we want to take three numbers changing the variable. See, uh, see it will take three letters other than 53, 53 into 45. That it will have the three values. Then 90 minus 63. I will assign the weight value. Then 107. Adding 60 plus 45 963. This is addition, and the next is our subtraction. Subtraction. See, so subtraction, same thing we have to do, but like I'm writing again a equals to int exists input into value. See, here's the variable and a minus b. In addition, we have put plus, and then going like that subtraction, we put minus. Running it, and the value if I put 10 and 50, it will take 10 minus 50. It is minus 5 into c minus 5. Value 10 into value 15. It will take like a minus b. A minus b. 10 minus 15 minus 5. In second, the second is division. I have changed the value to slash, not division. And in division, see, it will take value from A, taking value from B, and it looks very question. It is very like 60, 60, then 10. Uh, it will be 6.0, that is 60 divided by 10. 60 divided by 10 divided by 10. Answer is 6.0. We, then if we, the second step is multiplication. If we go for multiplication, I have this A multiplied by B. We cannot take like this. This is not suitable for Python. A multiplied by B. And then I let enter the value. I put 10 and 12, 15. It is under 50. Then I put enter 150. 50, 10, 10 multiplied by 50. Print 10 into 15, that is 150. Similarly, for 4 digits, uh, I put 2 slash, yeah, then again run it, 15, 16, 0. Okay. If after the 4 division, it will answer is 0. Okay. Uh, Same like thing, same. Uh, we put, if you want to take exponential, we put twice of multiplication, that is this twice. Then run it, 60. Ready. Taking value 12. This value for the value of b, it will take power in power. If we are power 2, this means 12 raised to the power 2. Then if we enter, we know that 12 into 12, that is 144. So answer is 144. If you want to take power higher, 12 after 12, then power 12 raised to power 45. Hence 12 raised to power 45. Answer is this. I taken long numbers for accuracy. See. This is today. In the next video, I will cover and other operations like comparison of operators. The next video will be for operator operators. Okay, this is okay.